So here's the exercise. There's a question number 1. How air is polluted? The answer is on book page number 18. Cause of air pollution. You will start from here, air pollution results, and you will end over here, corrupting the atmosphere. Then your next question will be question number 3. Briefly describe some of the causes and harms of elements in the air. Then you will start from here, air pollutants. Start from elements that contaminate the air or are called air pollutants. You start from here. First you will write from here to here, discuss below. Then you will write nitrogen oxide. You will start they are poisonic gases, and you will end over here from motor vehicles. After this you will write carbon monoxide, and you will write the whole paragraph of carbon monoxide. And now the next question is, what does greenhouse means? Is it useful or harmful to the environment? Then you will start from on book page number 21, greenhouse effects. You will give heading of greenhouse effects, and then you will start. A greenhouse is a typical glass shelter made, and then you will end it over here, important for life on earth. Clear? After this you will write, what does you understand by ozone layer, give its useful and harmful effects. Then you will give the heading of ozone layer, and you will start from here. Additionally, human activities such as industrialization have increased. You will start from here, then you will end it over here. This has discussed effects. Okay, and then your next question is, what is acid rain? Give some of its harmful effects. Then here on book page number 23, acid rain, you will give heading of acid rain. Acid rain is the rain that has made acidic. You will start from here and end over here to survive in it, the complete paragraph of acid rain. And you have to also learn the summary. You will just learn this summary, you will not write on your notebook. You will learn the air pollution, this one, a definition, this one, greenhouse effects, and the acid rain effects, because it will come in your exams. You have to learn this one, these definitions, but don't write on your notebook. Just write these question answer on your notebook and send me the picture of your work.